A supermoon is expected to occur and be visible in Korea on Thursday for the first time in 14 months, making the full moon appear brighter and larger than usual.
평소보다 더 밝고 크게 보이는 보름달인 슈퍼문을 1년 2개월 만인 이번 주 목요일 국내에서도 볼 수 있을 것으로 예상됩니다.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the first supermoon that we'll be able to see here in Korea since late August of last year. So over a year now.
Yeah.
But according to the National Gwacheon Science Museum, it will be the first supermoon, like I said, since last year, and it will rise at 5:38 p.m. tomorrow evening in Seoul.
Thursday evening.
Yes, and it will set at 7:22 a.m. on Friday. And if you were wondering what a supermoon is, it's a full moon or a new moon that appears when the moon is at its closest point to Earth, which is about 357,000 kilometers away. And if you're interested, if you have kids, kids age 7 and older, they can register online with the museum where you can attend a lecture about supermoons. And they'll hold a free observation event for the public from 7 to 9:30 p.m. on Thursday.
That's the National Gwacheon Science Museum,
Correct.
of course. 아, 그래요. 내일 저녁에 서울 기준으로는 아까 5시 38분부터 7시 22분경 하늘에 이 슈퍼문이 보일 거라고 합니다. 지역마다 약간의 시차는 있을 수 있지만 저녁 시간대에 그래도 대략 한 2시간 정도는 떠 있을 것 같으니까 구름만 끼지 않으면 슈퍼문 볼 수 있겠네요.
And according to my weather forecast, it seems like it's going to be a clear day,
Oh,
clear
good,
skies tomorrow
good.
evening. So hopefully we can all have a look.
Yes. I love watching supermoons because they do look bigger and they feel brighter.
Yeah.
Obviously.
The scary ones are the red moons. Sometimes when the moon has that sort of tint of red
Yeah.
to it, it's almost apocalyptic looking, you know?
Indeed. All right. Well, first of all, I want to focus on the pronunciation of the word super because in Korean, a lot of the time, super is written as super.
Oh, yeah.
And I've always had an issue with this personally.
Yeah.
Although, I really don't know who to go to and talk to about this.
Right.
But in English, it's not super, it's super.
Right. And it's not that you can't pronounce that sound.
No.
But I think 슈퍼 has just been around. I mean, it's its own word
Exactly.
now.
It's
in
been
Korea,
around.
right?
맞아요. 한국에서는 it's been around라는 거는 오랫동안 사용돼 왔다라는 뜻인데 굉장히 오랫동안 슈퍼라는 단어가 들어가면 슈퍼라고 글로 이렇게 써와서 그런지
Yeah.
이 경우에도 이제 슈퍼문이라고 우리는 쓰죠. 그런데 영어에서는 사실 SH 발음이 아니고요. super 이렇게 네, 발음을 하시는 게 맞습니다.
It's basically your name, and then you add per, right?
Exactly.
Sue, hi Sue, per, super.
맞아요,
yeah.
맞아요. Same for universal. 그것도
Universal, right? Okay.
네, 이유는 모르겠는데
Yeah.
우리말로 표기할 때 universal이라는 이 단어도 universal이라고 이제 뭐 쓰더라고요.
Like the
뭐,
studios, right? Like Universal Studio.
그러니까요.
Exactly,
네네
yeah.
그런 것처럼. 근데 이제 참고로 우리말에서는 뭐 그렇게 쓰더라도 영어에서는 이제 슈 발음이 아니다. 이거 그냥 참고하시면 되겠습니다. Okay, let's look at occurring.
Okay. When something occurs, it takes place or happens. Like we said, this supermoon will occur or happen tomorrow evening.
그렇죠. 발생하다, 일어나다, occur. 그래서 명사 형태는 occurrence인데요. 동사 occur, O-C-C-U-R입니다. What about appearing?
Yeah, when something appears, there are two ways to look at this. It can come into sight, literally, where in front of you, in your eyes, something appears. But here, the supermoon will appear brighter and bigger than usual, meaning that it'll give the impression of being that. So it basically means the same thing, that it comes into sight.
어떻게 보인다, appear, A-P-P-E-A-R. 자, 그럼 다시 읽어보겠습니다. A supermoon is expected to occur and be visible in Korea on Thursday for the first time in 14 months, making the full moon appear brighter and larger than usual. Let's move on to the second headline.